Linge kamsa tharing ki nindu sega phepa deni samlol ka su shigi tharing ki nindu dina linge ngonzo dung chigi thoni inji jang ki thapshi chigi dung de tharing ye ki chinda thangbo ki lopsin sumba ki dung lalu and pilu le di dingyun la ngonzo channel to linge ki dung shi linge ngonzo nyamdu ta sarerwa dung ni ngara ni thijo che dung ni lopsin chinda thangbo ki dung de niba ki dung ra the bubble the straw and the shoe and 3 little pigs le di chawre ani tharing lalu and pilu chiklo hi logai ti ngonzo inji ngonzo ki language ra keri khari changna ejel shi or le ra loya thia nye share ani reading di changmana ni khechi shi roji indi chambula nge ki tinde rojik bizun chigi yore sonza kesi lenge su tharengi lopsen de dewe chi khende na yinto muthini siruna thingyun la lenge so nganzo channel or thema thambo peje ro chayuduna tashtile nyiming la kizom sigiyo nganzo dunda ching na nyintung ni sadawa da phubu chiru chiru shile chege tola nganzo channel or nyintung legi yore nyintung sangma pege thoni inji jangai thapshi chiye ki nyintung dinchada indi sambula lenge so pege shingiyo bata pege thoni inji jangde ne yinshi nganzo channel or subscribe chiruna share ra ani deshorla kasangi ki nganzo channel or the giveaway chunju to the rengi subscriber teaching long giveaway chunju chi the dealing is holangi tap the right tap the dang animal sugi little A to Z booklet ABCD jangai ki tap chiya ding ni thanda misum la tag the yore thande yang giveaway do the yore lingi su kisi thanda nyamshu chiguina nyamshu chidang samang ni video sig de la link shawra the tap ki launch ki video yore description ki box na la sangma yore la sota di chawa che ani nyindung go chugi linge so che dala sik sawa den zu dela shagi ani dung di dela shagi ndarwa an nganzo ko chugi lalu and pilu dung kora ki ming de khandi rosh thobare shuaina lal dam pila la du inji jaga ke na la hindi ke na la lal la na marpo red ra pila la na ani yellow sepo chago ra tinde ki ta ye chatu ni ra ani chik mau che chik seu sonza lalu and pilu la ni la okay. There was a hen, she had 2 chicks. There was a hen, ma khari yore chade chiyore sta khonso ki chachik yorwa tangshu was len chidwa was thigare is in yore duki dechik re is ki past tense la was ra songsan tha dung changma khari na yore dechik past tense na yore la so an ma khari yore na chamu chiyore ani she had 2 chicks mola khare chatu ni yore chick le dis bungan so chade tugula chade pugula chicks la word okay the lalu and pilu la dwara lalu and pilu la de chade ni yiming chatu ni yiming lalu and pilu res right lalu was red he loved red things pilu was yellow he loved yellow things ani lalu kanti yola na mapu yores ani ko chala mapu ngepu mapu lagaw yores pilu serpo res yellow res ani ko ngepo seu lagaw yores one day lalu saw something on a plant nimachik lalu ki plant re di chishing chigi kan la chik thong res right ani khalado it was red he ate it up ta ko ki thong tyo de chendo ma bu yin ser ra ani kyo khachire because he liked red things ra ko nge mau go yo ra song sa ko ki mau chik thong de kyo khachire ate chirla de sawa gi de sik eat gi de sik re ra ko gi de saris okay ani oh no it was a red chili it was very hot ani oh ta yuma sitting masusra di khare re du sibe mau redus ani dippe hot to le du khacha bu shudus right Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. The Lalu ki khayo ra khadin zo started burning la du khatsiya go zure le ra ani ko khare chire he screamed ta ko keshoris ke gyabris right tene kala do mother hen came running pilu came too ani kharchi to chamo ama yorwa chamo ama togo jukshan ni le res pilu yang juk le ani jukshan lengi le res right pilu said I'll get something for you. I gi apostrophe chela el ni na so I will the kodushe jo contract chi jo ra Quran su gi island chi na I the contract chi jo ti na ran so la du yang island la che shimba I will lend you na so yang I will lend ra ta pilu ki kharila do I said and pilu said le pilu ki love res kharila bre I'll get something for you ni ki khran chi tu chi khine le wo sra ta pilu seu ro so sa ko ki seu da de yo chi khile do khore ro ngaj dung lo inda pilu brought a yellow laddu pilu ki khari khine le re laddu seu jaga ki ngamu chi do sa laddu seu ji khine le res brought le tu kher yong we de chik bought le na nyo be de chik la so ta lalu ki pilu ki laddu seu de lalu gobbled up the laddu gobbled le marterwa gobbled le du kumik tangwa mikyu tang shora ta ngazo khasa de chik bat sa shejra lalu ki laddu seu de kumik tang shora resra his mouth stopped burning ani kuki khayorwa khadi chaya khalore kha chigya jam cheresra stop cheres Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. Ani ama chamo ama da Lalu ni ki Pilu la ni ata thank you ra tujinang le chitula popo chikte re le di ngonju ki dung di chai dwara okay ni dung de ni so chitula dung thari chinju re dwara ani ne ning jumo ro chi di ni koni chik lo gen darwa Lalu and Pilu. There was a hen, she had 2 chicks. Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red, he loved red things. Pilu was yellow, he loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. He ate it up. It was red, he ate it up. Oh no, it was a red chili, it was very hot. Chili la du sivenderwa. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Mother hen came running. Pilu came too. Pilu said, I'll get something for you. Pilu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. That's the thing on Zuki. Dung the chat, dung the Chelangazo Johnson exercise question answer sum chigin the right. Kuram lock them Nankarite or the Tango de Gare, Niki, Tiwa di Niki, Lingisola Tiwa Lot, Tiwa Niki, explain Chigi, Dishigi, Tiwa, Len Karimba, Lingisugi, Nanglere, the Ral Lingisugi on the comment section, Chengi, Desin Nala, Chentini Linsum Karimba, Laruchi, as a Dung Lo Re, Dungi Dishini Re, Injikorana, la lawyer, okay, and Lingisugi, comment Nala Lane Chituna, for your serration, right? Let's go. Tiwa Tango di name the chicks in the story. Name le di ming shis ra chicks la na chadu s ya da ni chigle mangwa ra dung dinang le be chadu ni ki ming thi le thiwa thangbo thiwa ni ba de la who liked yellow things like la na kawa nawa do le de ra su chala se bu ngo bu se bu la gaw yo re le khengi su len di khengi yor da comment na thiro chi thiwa ni ba de do ra thiwa sum ba de la what did Lalu eat one day Nimachik Lalu ki khari sare lesra yan lengi so ita some si raditi thiwa di kalore eat lena tu thadawa na thi dusra ine anga chu dung di desing na ro saro da di khandire leje ra di nganju ki thiwa chik nang yangna joba chinang la past and so dunge chi khari yolen di chajik phewa gi dunge helping verb ki ani dele anga chu what did let it did do ki dechi ra songza main verb chajik cho dinga jo thadawa rang nan thir de ra songza what did Lalu eat one day Lalu ki nimachi khari sareler Lingesugi Lane the King or the Ra, Tiwa Disumgi Lane some the Lingesugi in comment section on the Tirochi, and Dinyamdo, Taringansu, Lopten the Tawai, Taring Lopsen Tindi, Yapo, and Chas Hodos to Rat, Lingus on the two Chumia Chigi, and Taringin don't deny my opinion like killing it on the channel to subscribe to you now, Injik subscribe to now, and Kazangi Tab Digi, Mojogi, Nintung so do some Lingeso Mambu. Pemangbu ngala capture shuk chumbu shu nang so lingi so mangbu chi nga dum ni thap ti nga sung changma lo la ning thapa ne kadin che shu ni ani kisi lingi so diki country imba doji give away the country imba shedu na inji nyintung ni gidela chik sha gorwa di inji siruna description na yore ra thap di ngojo gi nyintung di sha sha go thank you so much channel le pin di chik siruna ani dinyam do kisi lingi so nyegi Instagram thola chik sia chungme wada chigina thank you so Instagram to yona Instagram page chigina nyegi Instagram khajang dela sha go phagela yang nyegi phege to ni inji country jang thugure thugu chungchung la mix gi country lap thugure thongman jangi na phege gi chik din inji nang la country la ore le jorwa Mangcho jing pagila spoken English la inji keja share gidela tuna manga chidil hengi so kisi Instagram page nange na inji ngala follow na share ra la so ani hengi dinyam to tharingi ngi du sawai hengi sama chakbo chine inji jani shuru na share ra la so